Today, I'm reviewing Notion versus ClickUp to help you decide which workspace tool is better for projects, docs, and teams in 2026. First, Notion is known for its ultra-flexible workspace, where you can build custom docs, wikis, knowledge bases, and interconnected databases using blocks and templates, making it ideal for creative teams, documentation, and structured content creation. Notion's clean interface and powerful page customization let you streamline notes, SOPs, and project info in one place, and the free tier is generous for individuals and small teams. However, its project management features are more manual and require setup for advanced workflows, and built-in automation is limited compared to dedicated tools. Meanwhile, ClickUp offers a more robust project management ecosystem, combining tasks, timelines, Gantt charts, automation, and dashboards into one platform, with native collaboration features like comments, real-time editing, whiteboards, and built-in time tracking. ClickUp also has a more generous free plan for unlimited tasks and users, and its automation and reporting capabilities are stronger, which helps teams running complex workflows. The trade-off is that ClickUp's interface can feel feature-heavy and steeper to learn, and some users find it cluttered at first. In direct comparison, Notion excels at documentation and adaptable workspace creation, while ClickUp shines with structured project execution, automation, and team management. If your priority is an organized knowledge base with flexible docs, Notion might be better. But if you need powered-up task workflows and team coordination, ClickUp tends to be the stronger choice for most teams.